this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun punch art bunny card using the double ovals punch or the layering ovals dies. So here's this cute little bunny card, and you can use the double oval punch or the layering ovals dies. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the layering ovals dies, you can use the smallest oval die and then the smallest the second smallest scallop die, and that will work for the feet and the ears. And then the double oval punch, you use the ovals for the feet and the ears. So I've got some of those punched. I've also got a piece of basic white 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5 1/2 as my card base, and a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of petal pink. I've used the Tasteful Textures embossing folder to emboss the cardstock, and I'm just going to adhere that flat to my card base as just a background for my cute little bunny. And then I can adhere the ovals to the scalloped ovals. And I'm going to punch out 2 more of these scalloped ones. For my bunny feet. Gotta have bunny feet and bunny ears. Something on my cardstock, so I'm just going to use my sand eraser to get it off. Sand eraser is always handy dandy. And then I need some circles, so I'm going to use my 2-inch circle punch to punch out 2 circles. And I'm going to adhere my bunny feet to the circles. So do a little bunny foot there, another bunny foot on the other side, and then I'm going to use a glue dot to adhere the bunny head to the bunny body, just because there's not a lot of room there. And then the ears, I'm going to also use glue dots. Those will go behind the bunny head. So we got 1 ear. We got 2 ears. Starting to take shape, so cute. And they can also move. All right, so now I need, I punched out 2 1-inch circles for the bunny cheeks, and then I need to punch out of petal pink 2 1/2-inch circles for the nose and the little chin or the mouth there. So I'm going to use glue dots again. Glue dots are just so easy for the bottom piece here. And then I'm going to add the bunny cheeks on. So cute. And I'm going to use the journaling pen. See if I have ink in it. This one does not have ink. I think it's this one that does. To make some bunny hairs. Whoops, that one's really long. And then I'll add the bunny nose. And then the bunny googly eyes. So cute. And then we can add our bunny onto the card. I use dimensionals. Dimensionals are fun. You can just do here and then just cut this piece right here. Just add the bunny to the card. So cute. And there is our cute bunny card using the double oval punch, but you could also use the layering oval dies. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my other video tutorials. I'll see you next time. Bye.